How to retire early. The secret to financial independence. Retiring early is a dream for many people. The idea of having the freedom to do what you love without worrying about money is exciting. But most people believe that retirement is only possible at 60 or 65. What if I told you that you could retire much earlier if you follow the right financial strategy? In this video, I will share the secret to achieving financial independence and retiring early. Whether you want to retire in your 40s or even earlier, this step will by step plan will help you reach your goal. Make sure to watch till the end because every tip in this video is important. What is financial independence? Financial independence means having enough money to cover your expenses without needing to work a job. This is possible when your investment or passive incomes generate enough money to support your lifestyle. Once you reach this stage, you can retire earlier and enjoy life on your own terms. Most people rely on a paycheck to survive, but when you achieve financial independence, your money works for you instead of you working for money. The key is to create multiple income sources and build wealth over time. Step 1 is reduce unnecessary expenses. The first step toward early retirement is controlling your spending. Many people live paycheck to paycheck because they spend too much on things they don't really need. To save more, track your expenses and cut unnecessary spending. Instead of eating out frequently, cook meal at home. Instead of buying a new car, consider a used one. Avoid impulse shopping and unnecessary subscription. The more money you save now, the faster you can retire. And step second is increase your saving rate. Most people save only 10% of your income, but if you want to retire early, you need to save at least 50% or more of what you earn. The higher your saving rate, the faster you can achieve financial independence. To do this, increase your income while keeping your expenses low. If you earn more but continue to spend less, you can invest a larger portion of your money and retire much earlier. And step third is invest wisely for long term growth. Saving money is not enough. You need to invest your saving to grow your wealth. Keeping money in a bank account will not help because inflation reduce its value over time. Investing in the right asset is the key to financial independence. Start by investing in index fund, stocks or real estate. Index funds are a great option for beginners because they provide a steady long-term returns. If we prefer real estate, consider rental properties that generate passive incomes. The goal is to make your money work for you. The earlier you start investing, the faster you can reach financial independence. And step 4 is create multiple income stream. Relying on just one job is risky. If you lose your job, your entire income stops. To retire yearly, build multiple sources of income. Start a side hustle, invest in dividend stock, or create an online business. Some people earn passive income from YouTube, blogging, or digital products. The more income stream you have, the easier it is to save and invest. Step 5 is follow the 4% rule. The 4% rule is a simple formula that helps you determine how much money you need to retire. It says that you can safely withdraw 4% of your total investment every year without running out of money. For example, if your annual expenses are $40,000, you need at least $1 million invest to retire early. This money can be in a stock, index fund, or rental properties that generate incomes. Calculate your expenses and set a financial goal based on this rule. Once you reach your target, you can retire early without worrying about money. And step 6 is avoid lifestyle inflation. Many people increase their spending as they earn more. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of saving and investing more, they buy expensive car, bigger house, and luxury items. To retire early, avoid lifestyle inflation, keep your expenses low even when your income increase. This allow you to save and invest more, bringing you closer to financial independence. And step 7 is stay disciplined and consistent. Reaching financial independence is not an overnight process. It takes years of saving, investing, and making a smart financial decision. The most important thing is to stay consistent. Avoid unnecessary cool debt, keep investing, and continue building your income stream. The earlier you start, the sooner you can retire. Stay patient and focused on your goal. Early retirement is possible for anyone willing to plan and take action. By reducing expenses, saving aggressively, investing wisely, and building multiple income streams, you can achieve financial independence much earlier than you think. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on earlier retirement.